What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, earlier today, I mentioned the fact that Pepe was making a move. And it has. For the longest time, I don't really know exactly how many months, but we've been seeing it push since February. It went from a low level, it went all the way up to where it is now, dropping a zero, basically a 10x return from that point. And things look absolutely amazing for that position, for people that are invested into that position. Obviously, I only have a little bit into it, and I'm able to gain, 400 or 300, 400%, whatever that is. I'm able to gain a decent amount. But there are other opportunities that are out there. And I'm not saying that you would ignore Pepe or that if you have the position, you sell it. I'm not saying that. I'm saying we're looking for, honestly, the next Pepe, something to take off from a lower level, maybe something that's less than $1 billion market cap that has the same level of traction and has had a decent amount of volume in the past. And that position is BOME. In my opinion, Book of Meme definitely is one of my top meme coins for 2024. I've talked about it in my top meme coins video and why I believe that it is going to be that, but I'll reiterate that within this video. Guys, let's talk about BOME in this one. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, don't forget about my link for Margex if you guys want to trade things like Pepe, like Shiba Inu, like Dogecoin, and trade them all at a 25x leverage. You can do that. Now, you can also trade at a 100x leverage on other positions like BTC or Ethereum or BNB. And there's other ones that you can trade 50x leverage. So feel free to check out my link for Margex down below if you want to get involved in that. Honestly, I think you should make a move in some sort of platform before you start to see this massive bull run that we're going to see. Altcoin season and all of these altcoins that are going to run, you want to make sure you have at least some skin in the game. So if you're investing with $10 at a 10x leverage and you're able to easily get to, $100 or so at that point, I mean, that's a no-brainer where you're only putting up $10 and you're able to see the gains of $100. So is that life-changing amounts of money? No, but is it more money than you would have made if you didn't invest the $10? Most likely. So make sure you guys, if you don't understand in leverage trading, feel free to check out my Patreon. I do have a bunch of videos on there, or you can reach out to me on Patreon. I respond back very quickly. So just ask me some questions about leverage trading and I'll get back to you. Guys, we talked about Pepe earlier today and the movement that it has seen. But I think another meme coin will actually have not a little bit more success, but when it comes to gains at this moment where we currently stand, like if you were brand new to the crypto market and you were like, I'm going to go and invest into a meme coin. If you were going to choose either Pepe or Book of Meme, you would say Book of Meme has more percentage potential from where we are, right? Because Pepe is up to about a $6 billion market cap. Book of Meme is less than $1 billion. So when you could see those same levels of increase, if you could see it get up to a 40 or $50 billion market cap, or maybe even more than that, potentially you could become a BOME millionaire. But that only depends on how much you invest into it. Now, currently where BOME stands, it's at 1.3 cents. This is something that's easier to digest than other things that have a massive amount of supply, because when you have, a trillion supply or 500 billion or 900 billion supply or whatever it is, you know that you're seeing multiple zeros. Even if you get up to $1 billion, it's $1 billion market cap, it's still at a fraction of a penny. Now, when you could see it get to a level of a penny and 2 cents and 3 cents and 5 cents and 10 cents, that's where you start to kind of easily digest it and understand this getting to $1 is an easier process, right? And getting to $1 where we stand would basically be around a 100x. $1.30 would honestly be that point at the moment. But where we stand is a $927 million market cap with $731 million worth of volume. This is a volume to market cap ratio of 75%. 100% of the circulating supply, or 100% of the supply, is in circulation with 68 or almost 69 billion coins. Meaning that if this was to get to $1, it would just be a $69 billion market cap. Now, I know for some people that sounds absolutely absurd for something that is a meme coin. Understand Dogecoin got to nearly a $100 billion market cap. Shiba Inu got up to about a $50 billion market cap. And I believe that both of those will find a way to surpass 100 billion this bull run. Then we have other ones that are coming up, like Pepe and like Floki and like Dog with Hat. And we can see those get to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 billion. And we can see the same thing that could happen for BOME. Now, it's not a given that it will 100% get there, but it does have the popularity to do so. This is something that I've said it before in previous videos. It started out like an ApeCoin vibe, right? If you didn't know what happened with ApeCoin launched on pretty much every exchange, had so much volume. I think it was like $2 or $3 billion worth of volume, got up to about a $2 billion, $3 billion market cap. Like it really pushed up to a way higher level because of all of the access that people had and the hype that it was building. BOME did something of the same. Right? It was available on many different platforms, not really S-tier exchanges right away, but many different platforms, and people had the access to buying it to where you saw about $1.3 billion in volume. That's crazy for something that's brand new that just got launched like a few days ago. And people were saying how this was rising so much. And I was like, it's probably rising so much because, it has something behind the scenes and it's a low market cap. And honestly, it was a large market cap. So I went and researched it. And it's just a meme coin, a simple meme coin that people believe in. And if you look at the markets that it is available in at the moment, you have Binance, you have Bybit, you have KuCoin, you have Gate.io, MEXC, Crypto.com exchange. You also have the ability to buy BOME on OrangeX, XT.com, 140 different trading pairs that are out there. So it has a lot of popularity, the ability to be traded, a lot of accessibility. That's what it's all about for a meme coin, is to be able to be accessed by everybody. And BOME has that. Now, I currently have 5,610 BOME, which is around 416,000 BOME. The question is, will I become a BOME millionaire? And if I become a BOME millionaire, it would have to get to $2+, because if I'm sitting at 416, let's just round it down to 400,000. I would need to get to $2 to get to 800,000, and then obviously I would need to get to 50 cents to get to another the other $200,000, meaning that it would get me to $1 million, being a BOME millionaire at that moment. Do I have any hopes and dreams to become a BOME millionaire? I don't. If it does happen, then fantastic. But I don't have any hopes and dreams to get there. What I'm looking for is the level of an impact to get to a 50, 60, 70 billion dollar market cap. Get to a level of $1. And, this is something that's easily digestible, that's easily understandable to get to a level of $1 at a $70 billion market cap, rather than looking at things that have hundreds of billions or even trillions of coins or even hundreds of trillions of coins, right? So BOME, I'm excited for. This is why I still hold. This is why I doubled down while it did go lower. And this is the level where I compare it to Pepe, and I'm like, this is the next Pepe to take off. Even if it gets to a $5 billion market cap, we're looking at 5 times where we are right now, which would be a $25,000 value for me on, my investment, which was, I think, a little bit lower than this. Let me go to my portfolio and see exactly where BOME is. We go to Book of Meme, and we're going to see that I'm up $880. So my investment point was 1.1 cents, as I did average into it and buy more and all that stuff. But where it stands, I'm up $800, about $1,000. So let's say it's about 4,000 some odd dollars that I invested into the play. So if I can see 25,000, that's great. I obviously want to see more than that, but I expect to see so much more growth for meme coins. And this is one of my biggest meme coins that I do hold when it comes to how much I invested. So anyways, let me know what you think about BOME. Do you think it's the next Pepe? Do you think it's going to be a banger, one that does run to, the 69, $70 billion market cap? Or do you think it's done at 1 billion and it'll never run? I want to know your opinion in the comment section below. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.